Hey guys, Lock Hacker here. Today I'm going to be going over Master Lock's 630D. It's a 3-digit combo lock. Um, and I've seen a lot of people use these locks on on lockers, like a wall locker, gym locker. And I've heard a lot of people talk about these aren't too hard, that if you pull up on the shackle, you can usually turn turn the dials and you'll feel it click when it meets the right combo. Sometimes, well, you can usually feel it better than you can hear it, but if you get a pretty clean lock, it'll tighten up and then it'll get real loose right over where you're supposed to be. So you can work your way down, and you can find all sorts of videos on that, so I'm not really going to bother with that today. But what I'm going to show you is something I'm calling the guaranteed number. And this is pretty much just a speed thing. So it allows you to find the first number quicker than maybe having to try and feel it, and then it leaves you down to 2. Once you get the last 2, you can speed race with it. But we'll get you that first number, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so basically what you want to do is, I'll put this on the vise later, that way you can get a closer up look, but you're going to look through this little peephole here, is what I'm going to call it. And same thing, you probably won't be able to see it now, but when you spin this around, there will be a visible opening that you'll be able to tell, yep, that's it. Now, when you see that, you're not going to stop there, because where you see it isn't the unlocked position. Oh, actually, there you go. You can see it right there. You can see that peeping right in the opening right there. So that opening, move it another, depending on where you're seeing it, move it another click or two, and you'll be right over it. And say we're back at 0. So that's the top. So you can kind of judge it. The angle might be weird, but look down in there. If it opens over here, you want that opening to be right over the middle over here. Okay? So you'll see it here or maybe here, but move that over past your sight and go, okay, see it here, 1, 2, or maybe 1 in your case, and then it should open. All right. So I'll put that on the shackle, maybe get a closer look, and excuse me, vise. We'll put that on the vise. Then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so here we are. You can see the gate opening, closing here. Open, close, open, close. Here you should be able to see the same thing, just from a different angle. Still be able to identify that where that gap is and use that to your advantage. Alright guys, we're back. So yeah, hopefully that close-up gave you a little better visual, but just to reiterate, that should be a quicker way. If you're trying to get through one of these quick, get yourself that good guaranteed number, and then you only have to mess with the bottom 2 in terms of polling and feeling. You don't have to go through the 3. With that, ignorance is not bliss. Stay educated. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, let me know. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.